This LED system is equipped with surge protector circuitry that might not work properly when connected to a live wire. Hello, and thank you for purchasing our easy-to-install and affordable LITS LED adjustable downlights. Before you start, make sure that everything is in the box: the lighting fixture, the installation instructions, the paper guide for drilling the hole for the fixture, and the electrical junction box, which also includes the LED driver. Also make sure that you have the tools necessary to actually get the job done. They are a standard drill, a hole saw, measuring tape, and a pen or pencil. Use the supplied paper guide and pierce a hole in the center to indicate where you want the center of your fixture to be. Use this point as your center reference. Trace the hole. Use your hole saw to drill your hole. Now attach the electricity of your home to the junction box. Pop the knockout of the junction box off to place a standard strain relief connector for your 14-2 cable wire installation. Strip the 14-2 wire and place it into the strain relief connector. These junction boxes are equipped with simple-to-install, color-coded push-in connectors. All you need to do is match colors of the push-in connectors and the 14-2 wires, and you're good to go. Attach the junction box to the lighting fixture via the dummy-proof 2-pin connector on the junction box and the lighting fixture. Bring the springs back on the fixture so that they allow the light fixture to fit in the ceiling. Slip the fixture in the hole and push so that the trim is flush with the ceiling. And voila! To keep in touch and know more about our products, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video and watch for more episodes and playlists. Thank you for watching.